Want pro-level drone features without blowing your budget? These 5 drones under $300 pack GPS, 4K cameras, and insane stability. Perfect for beginners or creators. Whether you're just starting out or want to upgrade without spending a fortune, these are the top 5 best drones under $300 in 2025. From 3-axis gimbals to 5G FPV and obstacle avoidance, these budget drones punch way above their price tag. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. SX1 Drone. The SX1 is a fully featured quadcopter with a built-in 4.5-inch control screen, 3-axis gimbal, and EIS, electronic image stabilization. Capture ultra-smooth 4K footage without needing your phone. Pros: 3-axis gimbal plus EIS equals buttery smooth video. 5G GPS for long-range precision. Built-in screen controller. Smart flight features. Follow me, auto return. Why it's great: it's perfect for creators who want stabilized aerial shots and a screen-included controller. No phone needed. Number 2. V168 Max Mini Drone. This compact drone features dual 8K cameras, 5G FPV, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance sensors, making it an ideal drone for urban or forest flying. Pros: dual 8K cameras, front plus bottom, mini portable design, obstacle avoidance for safer flight, 5G FPV for real-time smooth streaming. Why it's great: the V168 Max is the best mini drone under $300 for tight spaces and safe flying with its advanced sensors. Number 3. Teeggi SG99 Max. The SG99 Max is a foldable drone equipped with a 4K camera, 6 km transmission range, touchscreen controller, and full 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Pros: touchscreen controller equals no phone needed. 6 km control range, great for adventure flying. Foldable for portability. Pro-level obstacle avoidance. Why it's great: this is a solid option for travelers or hobbyists who want long-range flight and compact storage. Number 4. Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE is a professional-level lightweight drone under $249G, perfect for avoiding FAA registration. Features include a single-axis gimbal, EIS, and up to 4 km range. Pros: under $249G, no FAA registration needed in US. 4K camera plus EIS. GPS auto return and follow me mode. Great flight time, 25 plus minutes. Why it's great: ideal for beginners or US users who want hassle-free legal flying with great video results. Number 5. A3 Pro Max Drone. This high-performance drone features an 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal for stabilized footage, and 5G image transmission for real-time FPV. Foldable design and smart flight modes included. Pros: sharp 8K Ultra HD resolution. 3-axis mechanical gimbal equals cinematic shots. Brushless motors for smooth, quiet flight. Multiple flight modes. GPS follow, return home, orbit. Why it's great: best for creators and drone hobbyists who want cinematic quality footage under $300. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. You don't need to spend $1,000 to fly smart. These top 5 drones under $300 give you serious camera tech, GPS, and pro features, all on a budget. Whether you're vlogging, exploring, or just learning, one of these drones will elevate your shots. If this video helped you, give it a like, comment which drone you'd fly first, and subscribe for more tech reviews that make sense.